Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with Master Code Online. Leave a comment below. Let me know how I'm doing with these tutorials so I can improve. Otherwise, let's get started. Repeat list objects is today's tutorial. This is so simple and so fast. It's really that simple. So let's go ahead and create a list. A is going to represent that list, and we're just going to put master in there for Master Code Online. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and repeat that list. So A, the multiplication symbol or the asterisk, and then 5. Hit return, and there we go. We multiplied multiple objects in a list. Let's go ahead and do one more. B is equal to square brackets, and in here we're going to say hello world. Alright, square brackets, and we'll go ahead and do B times or multiply or the asterisk, and we get hello world. So there you guys go. This is how we repeat objects in a list. Any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next tutorial.